In this video, I am making fish and chips, but I'm not just making any fish and chips. We're making it a lot more Mediterranean, a little bit more healthy, and just different. Check this out. We're gonna start with our garlic and rosemary roast potato wedges, which are crazy easy to make, and they start with a couple starchy potatoes cut into evenly sized wedges. We are going to douse these liberally with plenty of olive oil, plenty of salt, and give them a really good shake up in a bowl until they are well covered. We're gonna add these to a tray that is nice and hot straight out of the oven, line it with baking paper, and arrange your potatoes so that all of the flat sides are facing down. While these roast in a 200-degree oven for roughly 20 to 30 minutes, let's make our dipping sauce by chopping up plenty of garlic, lots of mint leaves, and a good tablespoon of capers. You're gonna add a good couple dollops of mayonnaise to a bowl, as well as your garlic, your mint, your capers, a little zesting of lemon, some salt, pepper, and what's not shown here, a good little squeeze of lemon juice. Mix everything together until it's well combined, and that is your super simple, sort of tartar-ish sauce, sort of not. It's delicious. Enjoy. Anyway, once your potatoes are nicely browned, you're going to go ahead and add your minced garlic and your chopped up rosemary and give everything a really good mix to combine. We'll be reheating these a little bit later, but just forget about them for now. Next to our crunchy breadcrumb coating. We're going to chop olives really well and add them to a mixing bowl with plenty of breadcrumbs as well as some leftover mint and a good sprinkling of salt and pepper. You're going to wet this mixture generously with some extra virgin olive oil until you have something that resembles the texture of slightly wet sand. For our fish, we have selected lampuki, or mahi, but lampuki is way more fun to say. These fillets are in season, so I've chosen them, but any firm-fleshed white fish would work great. Honestly, most fish fillets would probably work great for this. But anyway, you're going to oil a tray and lay the fillets skin side down and season them really well with salt. Top this generously with your breadcrumb mixture and pack it down really well. You're going to place the tray in a hot oven for 10 or so minutes, and for the last 5 minutes of cooking, you can also go ahead and add your potatoes to heat through and warm that garlic. And finally, while everything is in the oven cooking away, we are going to quickly make some curry peas. Quickly boil or microwave some fresh or frozen peas and drain them really well. Add them to a bowl and season them with plenty of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, a little bit of curry powder, a little lemon zest, and give them a really good mix. At this point, everything sort of comes together at the same time, and you have a fabulous dinner with the essence of fish and chips, but far less greasy and packed with Mediterranean flavor. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you give this recipe a shot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!